Hello everyone, my name is Alex from Tecon formwork. Welcome to my channel. Many customers ask about solutions, especially the prop solutions for the long span structure, especially for the factory long span structures props like factories, stadiums, and also highway railways props. And also there is also a very high floor need prop solutions. So sometimes they use like ring lock or cap lock scaffolding as the props. But today I'll bring you our new things, the Tecon shoring tower. So which will be have like only six elements, 6 parts to finish all the props and bracing. So in this part, we will do it like two kinds of assemble. One is vertically floor layer by layer. So usually in a space like not the open area, just a narrow space. And the other way, also the most efficient way, we can do it like in half an hour to assemble about 15 meters and 3 units high shoring tower. So we will show them both of them today. And also in the shoring tower mode, it can be movable. So with the wheels or use tower crane or mobile crane, you can do the lifting jobs and without any deformation. And also as this frame is optimized by our engineering team, there will be like a diagonal bracing on the main frame. So let's see how they can do today, and I will show you all the details of them. Thank you. Hello guys, as I just said, our shoring tower just got a few elements. Now I locate specifically just 6 parts. So I will show you each components and tell you the function of each of them. First we come to the main frame. which is specially designed because in the popular frame they always have 3 or 4 parallel tubes, but we do optimization to make this diagonal bracing and to create a triangle to make it more stable. So that's why we can reach 60 kilonewton per legs. And also the material itself also help, because you can see the surface is powder coated with a red color, and also the steel itself is Q345, which is hard steel. So make the so that's all to make the load capacity reach to 60 kilonewton per legs. The next one we call it is universal. This one, universal diagonal bracing, which will be used vertically and horizontally. Same bracing, so just one to make 2 functions. And this one is for to the connections. We call it connector sleeve. So it's just will be within this main frame and to do the connection functions. And the other element is also needed just by this pin inside, and this is a spring cord. Both of them can do the connection jobs down. So very easy for assemble. And you can see that it's very details. It's hot diet galvanized. And the next part is we call it base jack, which will be adjustable and at the bottom of each prop legs. Okay, we come to the last component. We call it U-head jack, which have adjustment nut. This U-head will cooperate with the main beams of slab formwork, like Tecon Flex 20 or our Tecon table formwork. Will create a big area with the props for the slab formwork casting. Hello everyone. As I said, there's 2 assemble ways. One is vertically, you see the layer by layer, but the other one much more quickly. We call it the horizontal function, horizontal way, which means each layer will be assembled on the ground horizontally, and after finish or assemble, use a tow crane or a cart crane to do the last vertical, last hanging or last lifting to make the whole shoring tower vertically. And since there's 2 ways, because this way will be used like normally in this open area, so it will have a car crane or tow crane. But the other way, we do it inside the factory, means that sometimes on site there's no such open place. In the narrow space, they have to use that way. In this step, works now is to connect the universal diagonal bracing to the main frame. So you can see there will be the swivel wedge can just to do the swivel to make it locked. These steps will repeat in horizontally or vertically. So same step, which makes assemble much easier to the workers, and also means efficient. 看那边，看那边。Works now is connect the 2 main frames together by the connection sleeve. So we'll go with the pins to do the lock. Insert the pin to connect the sleeve with the main frame. Only 2 beams will lock the whole connection. We already finished the bracket in about half an hour. Now we're assembling the base jake because it just goes through into the frame and finish all the assemble. But because we are doing use the crane to lift, so there will be a J hook to locate the base jake on the frame, so there will be a drop risk. We will see laterally. Now work is on adjust the base jake, so you can see there is a J hook will be hooked the adjust nut to the frame in case there is a dropping risks. Okay, just as the base jake, this is the U-head jake. So you can see it's just put the tube of the frame. It will be very easily. And in case there is any drop risk, we will have like a J hook to hook this jake on the frame. So there will be a drop risks. Okay, now you can see we already assembled all the components on and about 15 meters high. So you're ready to the lifting. Will be lifted up once all vertical job once done. You can see there is a 3 unit frame, and so we're done about half an hour. This part so we can how rapidly this kind of shoring tower can do in the assemble jobs. If you like our channel or like this system or interested in Tecon formwork, please contact us by info@tecon.com. Thank you very much. I will bring you more contents lately. Thank you.